Namaste. Once again from Bangalore with Yogesh Kumar. Yogesh has a multi personality as far as we are concerned, and the way his activities are. He is an exporter, no doubt about it. He's also a student of IIM, no doubt about it. He has also started mentoring students at IIM. So काफ़ी आप लोगों में से काफ़ी लोग इनको अगर बैंगलोर में हैं तो आप इनको जानते होंगे या फिर जान रहे होंगे बिकॉज ही इज़ जस्ट स्टार्टेड डूइंग दिस. हावेवर ही इज़ एन एक्सपोर्टर एंड ये चीज़ें जो आप यहाँ हमारे साथ देख रहे हैं, these are his products and he has brought his products for us today. I will not take more time. I will hand over the mic now to Yogesh. Yogesh, first of all, begin with your background and आपने कैसे सोचा एक्सपोर्ट में आने का?
बिजनेस करने का बहुत शौक था, तो हाईएस्ट बिजनेस है वो दैट इज़ एक्सपोर्ट और इंपोर्ट. तो मैंने सोचा मुझे ये करना ही है. देन आई थॉट लाइक आई सर्च इन गूगल, आई फाउंड IIM, मैं उधर गया, सीखा एंड नाउ आई एम हियर. या तो बीच में बहुत सब कुछ सीखने को मिला IIM में. पर्सनली बहुत सारे सपोर्टर्स थे, भाटिया सर थे, बहुत सारा सपोर्ट किया मुझे. तो बैकग्राउंड जाना, उसके बाद कर्नाटका में फास्ट मूविंग प्रोडक्ट्स कौन सा था मैंने उसे चूज़ किया. देन आई स्टार्टेड ग्रोइंग इट. Then I started exporting.
Oh yes, Yogesh also is a farmer. He also has his own farm. His father was cultivating a lot of crops earlier. Now it is Yogesh who is doing this. आप ये अपने फार्म में उगाते हैं?
Yes, this is.
Oh wow, this is okay. आप this is red, this is yellow और कोई कलर्स?
ये एक्चुअली ग्रीन रहता है. फर्स्ट ग्रीन रहता है, उसके बाद कलर चेंज होता है. ग्रीन इट इज़ नॉर्मली फॉर लोकल पर्पसेस. जब ये 5 स्टार होटल्स के लिए ये रेड एंड येलो ही प्रीफर करते हैं, हाइब्रिड्स. तो मेनली फास्ट मूविंग लाइक कलर सी होता है.
ओके.
स्टार्टिंग पहले ग्रीन रहता है, then after that it color
changes
after some days. For example, if I want to send to Dubai, I send it by 50 color percentage.
Oh.
When it reaches, it will be 80%. He can keep it and he can resell.
Okay, and then it becomes totally red.
Yes.
Okay.
So 50 premature we send it. Yeah.
All right. अब आप इसको, हम इसको कैप्सिकम बोलते हैं.
Yes.
आप इसको क्या बोलोगे?
में बेल पेपर्स बोलते हैं, कलर कैप्सिकम बोलते हैं.
Okay.
These are the names.
Bell pepper, color capsicum, and what is the HS code?
This is 07099999.
Okay.
For this.
So इसकी how what should be, आप उगाते हो, so you are the owner of it, whether it is a good quality or not so good quality. What care do you take?
See, 180 to 200 grams plus will be the export quality.
Per piece. 180
to 200 grams. This is a normal export standards, quality standards, and it has to be 4 bases.
Okay, 4
bases. 3 base भी आता है, वो domestic के लिए जाता है. तो export it has to be 4 base.
4 base.
It has to stand like this.
4 base.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Yeah, फिर.
तो yes ma'am, this is a grading and बैंगलोर साइड का क्वालिटी अच्छा रहता है एंड इसका लेयर्स बहुत हार्ड रहता है.
हाँ,
ड्यू टू सम लाइक वी हैव अ वेरी गुड सॉइल इन कर्नाटक.
Okay.
And suitable
it is a hard skin. The thickness should be broad.
पुणे में उगाते हैं, लाइक पुणे उधर भी उगाते हैं, तो उधर का हार्ड नहीं रहता. तो दे कांट एक्सपोर्ट.
यहाँ पे कुछ होता है जो चेक करना.
दिस इज कटिंग. दिस इज एग्जैक्ट कटिंग. ये एग्जैक्ट कटिंग होता है.
अच्छा, ऊपर से थोड़ा सा.
दिस इज एग्जैक्ट कटिंग.
दिस इज आल्सो अ गुड कटिंग.
तो दिस सिस्टम्स नॉर्मली ये प्रीफर नहीं करते क्योंकि ये फ्रूट में चले जाता है, तो नॉर्मली ऐसे ही प्रीफर करते हैं.
सो व्हेन यू एक्सपोर्ट यू डू इट दिस वे.
एक्स्ट्रा दिस इज अ वेस्टेज काइंड ऑफ थिंग. दे डोंट नीड इट, सो दे टेल remove
okay.
that,
but this is the ideal cutting, and then you remove up till here. And then export.
Correct.
Okay. You were working in Ahmedabad.
Yes.
Were doing a job. And then you decided to join your father in the business.
Yes, no, uncle it was. No,
Okay.
father. So when I was in Ahmedabad, I was a counselor. I was just working. मुझे पता भी नहीं था एक्सपोर्ट कैसा है क्या, बट आई वॉज अटेंडिंग संडेज क्लासेस. दीपक सर बोलते थे क्लासेस अटेंड करो कोई भी हो. जब मैंने देखा देन आई अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज एक्सपोर्ट्स, इनको टर्म्स कैसे है, क्या कैसे बात करते हैं, एलसी क्या है. देन आई डिसाइडेड ओके मुझे करना चाहिए.
So how do you find now from a job to business? You always wanted to be a business.
Yes, I just wanted.
But how do you now find it from a job to business?
When I was doing homework when I was in job only. Yeah. तो ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೆ ಜಾಬಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ. ಸೊ ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ನಾನೇ ಗ್ರೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. ದೆನ್ ಐ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮೈ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್.
Okay. So what acre of land do you have for farming?
Actually the greenhouse do barate.
Okay,
greenhouse barate. So now at present I have 4 acres and akka pakka yaryar irtare around 18 acres I am sourcing.
You outsourcing 18
outsourcing
and
18 acres.
4 acre जो आपके हैं.
हमारा खुद
Now यही सिर्फ पकाते हो?
This is one of my product.
Okay.
ಇದು ನಂದು ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ನೈನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಟಿಕ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ವಿಂಗ್. ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ವಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಟಿಕ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸಿಕಮ್, ಐಸ್ಬರ್ಗ್, ಜುಕಿನಿ, ಬ್ರಾಕ್ಲಿ, ಸಿಲೆರಿ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್.
So this you keep on growing them?
Yeah, we have a contract farming in Ooty.
Okay. Yeah. So contract farming in Ooty.
Yes.
You take the land and you give the seeds. आप seeds अपने आप देंगे, खातर आप अपना देंगे. और कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फार्मिंग जो महसाना वगैरह में भी चलता है, गुजरात में भी अभी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फार्मिंग आ गया है. वेरी गुड. सो यू आर एक्सपोर्टिंग जस्ट ये कलर्ड कैप्सिकम और यू आर एक्सपोर्टिंग द एक्सोटिक वेजिटेबल्स एज वेल?
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಆ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹಂಗೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಭಿ ಇದು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 60-70 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದುಬೈ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್. When the price is low in India, Dubai will take. When the price is high, they won't take. They procure from other countries.
So no, my question is that is capsicum the only product that you are exporting or there are other products also?
Depends. Normally, capsicum will go.
Okay. So which?
This is a complete exotic vegetables.
Okay.
In that normally every hotel need all exotic vegetables.
Okay.
ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಟಿಕ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ 10-15 ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ನಾರ್ಮಲಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸಿಕಮ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಿಂದ ತೊಗೊಂತಾರೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಏನಾರ ಕಮ್ಮಿ, ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಏನಾರು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಬ್ರಾಕ್ಲಿ, ಜುಕಿನಿ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ये आप कैसे भेजते हो? एयर कार्गो?
एयर कार्गो वी रिसेंटली ट्राइड फॉर बहरीन फॉर by sea. ನಾನು 20% ಐ ಸೆಡ್ 50% ನಾವು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ದುಬೈಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಈ ಸರಿ ಬಹರೇನ್ಗೆ 20%, ಓನ್ಲಿ 20% ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವೇ. maybe or 4 or 5 like
days it will be there.
Yeah, it will reach and we'll get to know how it is. So that adadre that will be extra opportunities for Indians to send by sea,
which is a little cheaper and in a bigger quantity.
Exactly, and they can procure from India most.
How Yogesh, how have you आपने अपने प्रोडक्ट तो खैर आपके घर का खेती था, मतलब योर ग्रीन हाउस ही है, पर आपने अपना बायर कैसे ढूंढा?
Buyer, see, we have LinkedIn. I use major LinkedIn. I use it, yeah. Because for example, exotic vegetables, I just connect to the owners and I just talk and I mail and I complete the order. That's
okay. So digital marketing is the best
main key for me. Okay. That is digital marketing.
Digital marketing. Yeah. So currently, which countries do you have your buyers in?
See, now at a time like Dubai, Malaysia and Singapore. Nearby countries I'm doing.
Okay.
I have a data. My brother has last year he traveled around 11 countries. So I have a data of 11 countries now in the market. So definitely
you will
when I expand, yes. I'll do it.
When you are sending this to, let's say, Malaysia or Singapore, tell me what payment terms and what Incoterms do you negotiate?
See, nan farmer agidrinda I give it in less price. Minimum I take 80% of advance. So I give a margin to him, to the buyer, and remaining will be TT. Sometimes,
Okay.
like my person, he is in Malaysia, he takes.
Okay.
One person in Dubai, he takes. Yeah. Sometimes I work in LC with other buyers. With the roses, I do.
Okay. So we'll see the roses now. So what are the Inco terms?
So I do it for CIF normally.
CIF.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, we have another product from Yogesh, and this is the Dutch roses.
Dutch
we
roses.
call it Dutch roses. And ये हैं जो flowers export करते हैं. Yogesh is also exporting these flowers. Now we would like you to tell us what are these, how do you do it, what is the quality?
Yeah. For Dubai, the bud size should be 5 plus.
What is 5 plus?
5 centimeter. This is not like mud gaya hai, because we have to keep it in a cold storage normally.
Cold storage.
Almost 27 hours के ऊपर हो गया, तो it is not
थोड़ा
looking
सा,
good.
हाँ.
Look गया है.
हाँ,
Yeah.
पर it should be
5 plus 5 plus bud size, and centimeter should be 55 plus centimeter.
Okay, the stem is 55,
More than that, it has to be.
and with the leaves,
It has to be green. That's it. No,
That's
like
it.
we have to do phyto with that.
phyto, yes.
Yes, normally phyto we do.
And where do you register? Which export promotion?
We have a
comes?
for this.
APEDA for this. Anything for the bud? 5 centimeters is what the height is, but colors and
See, normally Indian Dutch roses is famous for this Taj Mahal. We call it as Taj Mahal.
okay,
This is a international, like it is very famous in international market.
Okay.
Only this color. We have other colors also. I have around 13 different
colours.
13
Okay,
different
very
colors I
good.
have. So normally Taj Mahal will move in a
Taj Mahal
major.
is this color.
Red color will be major because Kenya, we have a competitor. Kenya, Ethiopia, Netherlands, we have a competitor.
Okay.
They have a very good bud size with other colors.
Okay,
So competing with international market, we can do with Taj Mahal. So this is the color which we have.
okay. This is also your own production,
This
your
is my
own
own
greenhouse.
production. Yeah, with my own
Okay,
greenhouse.
and this is the only flower that you have, or you have other flowers also?
We procure other flowers.
You again contract
Yes,
farming.
because we have large production of this around. We have 7 acres of Taj Mahal and other colors, roses.
Roses, basically.
We have gerberas, lilies, and we trade, or like we supply to around 4 to 5 cities in India. And
Okay.
sometimes if there is a demand in Singapore, they take it.
Okay.
I have a client where his office is in Hong Kong, Singapore and Malaysia.
So he takes flowers from you. Now these flowers usually, what temperature control do you have to keep them in?
This has to be 4 to 5 degree in refer.
4 to 5 degrees in refer. Okay.
So to grow, we need a seasonal thing that should be around 21 to 28 degree. It should be on moderate season. Like
Okay.
This is the season.
This is the season. Yes. Okay. And then you have to keep them in cold storage. So how long do you keep them in cold storage?
We can store it if, for example, February 14th. It is a major season for
Yes.
flowers. It is major season.
Yes.
So India has a benefit that we have winter and other countries has summer. So everyone has to buy from here. So we stock it for 15 days.
15 days.
Yes.
Very good. So
We
you
stock
have
it
a
for
good
15.
season
Yeah, now
coming
it is,
ahead.
yeah,
Yes.
coming.
And Dutch roses are famous for that. Taj Mahal roses. What is the HS code for this?
It is 06 chapter it is.
06.
0603. 0603 it is.
Okay, 0603.
Yeah.
And this, how do you send them? By air?
Carton box by year.
By air, and by carton boxes, you have to wrap them in this kind of a
It has to be,
corrugated.
yeah, it has to be wrapped. One bunch contains 20 roses.
Okay,
for
one
domestic.
bunch. Okay,
For New Zealand, one bunch will be 10 roses.
okay.
For Dubai, one bunch will be 20 roses. Normally they prefer.
All right.
Yeah. So one box, 18 bunches we put.
One corrugated box.
One carton boxes we put 18 bunches.
So for this one, what is the ply of corrugated?
We use 7 ply for that.
7 ply. Reason being?
The
moisture.
Moisture. 7
All
ply.
right. Okay. And what are the terms? This goes by air. So
yes.
what are the payment terms for this?
I take this season 100% advance ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ. 100% season like February 100% advance
yes.
ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೀಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ 50% ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ರೆಫ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆನ್ LC 30 days credit. This is normal market.
This is normal market, 30 days credit.
30 days credit इरता है.
But since this is your own production, ये आपकी खुद की प्रोडक्शन है, तो आपको इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रहा है. 30 days credit में बाकी लोग काम कर सकते हैं?
Definitely yes. If they give good margin.
If they give good margin.
ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
Okay. Yes. And what do you think, again my question to you is, export import अभी आप आ चुके हो, 1 साल से कर रहे हो, काफ़ी जम चुके हो.
Yeah.
What do you think is the future of export import? और आप
definitely it is a huge opportunity for Indians in coming days for exports, and definitely yes. मैं अभी देख रहा हूँ एक्सपोर्ट्स का विंग कैसे जा रहा है. ಏನಂದರೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್. ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಬಂತು, ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಹರ್ಬ್ಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಹರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೆಸ್.
like which kind of herbs?
You can see chives, rosemary, thymes.
Oh yeah, okay.
This kind of
again
things.
the exotic ones which are not original of Indian spices.
Yeah.
All right. So this is two major products that we have discussed today. One is your chilies colored capsicum,
Yes.
or bell peppers as you say, and the Taj Mahal Dutch roses.
Yeah.
Right. And you are now going to move towards some more spices, some spices which are not of Indian origin, right?
Yes.
What else? Export, import market. How do you think? You are young and this field is, you've just entered this field. What do you feel?
We need extra exporters for India.
You need extra exporters, all right?
Definitely, yes, yeah. Because I'm getting a huge opportunity, but I'm not able to complete it.
Okay. What is the reason?
Because alone I can't do. Like for example, if I want to do, I have to do more investment. People are investing in so many things which is not, I don't know whether they are getting a margin or not. I'm expecting around more than 10 plus margin in this. So I prefer people to start exporting agriculture.
Okay.
Because see, I'm a educated farmer. I'm doing the marketing, I'm doing the export.
And you are a third generation farmer.
Yeah.
Not only educated, but you are a third generation.
Yes,
3 generations से farming कर रहे हैं.
तो ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಇವಾಗ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ಸ್ ದೇನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅವ್ರು ಬರೀ ಬೆಳೆಯೋದು ಗೊತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬರೀ ಬೆಳೀತಾರೆ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಸೊ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತ್ರ ತೊಗೊತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪ್ರೊಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಫೀಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. We have to discuss in a right way, we have to discuss in a right terms and just complete the deals.
Okay.
And IIM has shown everything one part very easily. A normal person can export from IIM. I've been to the classes and I learned.
योगेश, समझाइए हमें कि आप कह रहे हैं कि you are into LinkedIn, digital marketing.
Yeah.
Do you have a website?
Yes, www.farmexim.in. This is my website.
Okay, farmexim.in. Okay, so if anybody would like to get in touch with you, can they?
Definitely, yes.
Okay, so this is the website, www.farmexim.in. Now, how much of digital marketing are you using? You using LinkedIn?
I use LinkedIn. I use Google Business. I use Facebook, and normally B2B website we have. Normally I don't prefer on B2B website. ನಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ಡ್ಇನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay.
So in LinkedIn I can directly get in touch with the owners
of the hotels, or directly the salesperson or the purchase department.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. And what is your market for this? Is it the hoteliers or where do you send this?
ಸಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ದುಬೈ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲವೀರ್.
Alavir. So Alavir has lots of, it's a mandi. The way we have an APMC, it is Alavir is a mandi. So this goes to the shopkeepers.
Yes, because I do bulk normally, like daily 1 ton.
So how many by air cargos have you sent so far?
Air cargos, I can tell you around more than 30 tons.
30. And the flowers?
Flowers, I have to check. I have daily. It is daily. Yeah.
Bangalore has good flowers, so
it is the only place where you can get the quality roses.
Okay.
Only Bangalore. That is why I choose color capsicum and Dutch roses. These are the only thing which is available 365 days in India.
In Bangalore. In Bangalore.
Yes.
So Bangalore is known for the colored bell peppers or the colored capsicum and the Dutch roses.
Yeah.
It is known in India, and Bangalore for 365 days you can get it. Very good. Now, are you earning some profit out of your export?
Yeah, obviously.
All right. Because a lot of people keep questioning us that, is it a profitable business? Is it... yes, of course, I feel yes, because I have seen my people, my students, my participants growing. But however, they want to hear it from the participant, from the exempreneur.
Right. So when you start export, everyone, they have energy that I want to export. Without confirming with Indian Embassy, without knowing their credibility, if you do export, definitely you lose your money. If you do perfect homework, what exactly IIIM thought, nowhere you can, jerk.
Okay, nowhere
you can jerk.
Fall back. You can only earn at the end of it. Yes, very true that we are making our people cautious.
Exactly.
There are some tips that we keep giving them. यहाँ पे मत जाओ, ये मत करो. But at the same time, we are also having the lesson in risk management. ये कैसे करना है. ECGC, हमारे नायडू साहब ने भी बोला ECGC हैं, विवेकानंद ने भी बोला ECGC हैं, काफ़ी सारे हमारे स्टूडेंट्स बोलते रहते हैं. So they do take the policies, the credit cover of ECGC. Do you have to take...
See, when I export, see for example, अभी टूथपेस्ट करने के लिए टूथपेस्ट चाहिए होता है. एक्सपोर्ट करने के लिए ECGC has to must.
Okay.
So I compare in that level. Without ECGC, don't do it.
Don't do it.
Don't do. Why?
Just toothbrush cannot do it.
Yeah.
Paste चाहिए. Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Very good. So without ECGC, yes,
prefer.
you don't prefer. Okay. And that is the reason you can give 30 days credit.
Yes.
All right.
If I'm a farmer, I can give 50 days also.
Yes.
Yeah.
So a very confident farmer, third generation farmer. We have an educated third generation farmer and an exporter now. We're very glad to meet you, Yogesh. And can you pass on a message to today's youngsters? You are a young gentleman, and what should today's youngsters like you do?
Export ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ just you need a knowledge which you are getting from IIIM. That is more than enough. It is your confidence that it will take you, to the higher level. Don't lose your confidence. Definitely you can. Anyone can do it. Like I'm also bud. I was also a bud. Now I have flowered with export. Yeah.
I was also a bud. He's saying that even he was a bud, and he has now flowered, blossomed. Okay.
Because of carrying the right knowledge and carrying with the right terms. And any student who is attending this IIIM, one message to them: please don't go in a hurry way. Do the proper homework and start.
Do your product research.
Yes.
जैसे ये
Product
बोला है,
research के बिना कुछ
this
भी
should
नहीं
be
चाहिए.
55 centimeters and this should be 5 centimeters or taller, and the bud should be of this color and the leaves should not be dried, etc. These are the things which make you different from the others.
Exactly.
So this is what we have as from Yogesh Kumar today. Yogesh, thank you very much, and हमारे साथ बने रहने के लिए शुक्रिया आपका. Thank you very much, all of you, and Jai Hind.